Hey everybody, welcome to Slightly Modified Garage, brought to you by Cars and Coffee Kings. On today's episode, we unboxed these for the third time. You're not going to get to see the first two because one time the camera was pointed in the wrong direction, and the other time somebody called my phone while it shut the camera off and I didn't know it. So third time's a charm. The box is already open. Hopefully it's still recording. I can't tell from here, so assuming that it is, let's just get into this thing. I've already opened it a couple times. It was real funny. I threw this on my head and I wore it around. It was real classic the first time around. Feels kind of dumb this time around, but we'll just do it anyway. I'm still happy. I got wheels, some of this plastic, and nice packaging job. Now these wheels are not exactly what you would call super leggera. I think that's Albanian for not light. These wheels are not exactly light. They're like 30 pounds a piece, but I didn't get them for a guy. I got them because they're rad, and I got a pretty good deal on the original ones. These are niche Targa M129 anthracites, 19 by 8.5, 5 by 112. This particular one has a 43 offset. The original set that I bought had a 34 offset all the way around, but I bought one of those. They were damaged in the set. I did not know that these wheels were discontinued at that point. So it has been a task trying to find a 34. I could not, so I bought a set of 42 offset, and they're going to go in the back. 34 will go in the front, and we'll figure it out. It's really not that big of a deal. We're talking millimeters, and we had plenty of room the first time we threw them all on, so I think we'll be okay. Haters will say it's fake, but these are real niche wheels. Not that those are expensive wheels by any stretch, but I'm a broke boy and we do this on a budget, so I am pleased that I can throw a good name brand mono block cast non 3-piece wheel, but at least nobody's going to say they're fake, I guess. That wouldn't make any difference to me either way. The whole fake versus real wheels thing is just silly to me. From a distance, they're all real wheels, right? So if they're not exploding and flying off your car at speed, then I don't care if you pay $5 or $5,000 for them. If they're functional, they work, and you love them, they're real, as far as I'm concerned. But, we can debate that in the comments, because that's definitely never happened on the internet before. That debate over real or fake wheels is, that's new. So, we'll be the first ones to tackle that subject in the comments. I don't know what I keep pointing down at. I'm assuming the comments are down from here in the video. So anyway, these are the wheels. You heard me grunt when I picked it up the first time. So like I said, not exactly light. I mean, they're like 30 pounds. That's right, I'm one-arming it, just in case, anybody think out, I'm a little sissy girl out there. I didn't mean girl, sorry. I'll cut that out. Beep. Anyway, they come with these sweet wheel condoms, which I think are super handy, and they seem pretty durable. They're basically one half of a tiny pool float, like a pool noodle. I'm going to keep those around and try and get some more, if I possibly can, for the other wheels, for when I swap them out for like winter and stuff like that. And these are pretty good. I imagine there's probably a company out there that specializes in like real good versions of them, colored or whatnot. If not, you should probably get on that, or maybe we will. It came with this. I don't know what this is. It's a little plastic ring. Maybe it goes on the center cap or something. I'll figure that out. Rims don't really come with instructions. They're pretty straightforward. So, anyway, that's it for today's episode of Slightly Modified Garage, brought to you by Cars and Coffee Kings. Stay tuned. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and that's how I get to make more of these things and eventually become a rich rock star. Because, well, that's the end game, right? Rich rock star. All right. I'm going to put these heavy-ass wheels back in the box, and then I'm going to go try and make this video for the third time. Stay tuned. Oh, yeah. Home. Get in your home.